This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for May 29, 2024. It's currently April 10, 2024, 2:55 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $513.10. That's USD. Or the shuffle video that's playing for you in the lower left corner of the screen was created on March 10, 2024 at 7:50 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme of behavior for the day, we have a rally into key resistance followed by a decline with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down. However, it's a nullified card indicating that there's some sort of chart behavior towards, taking place throughout the day as well that will kind of like make that behavior irrelevant. And we'll look at that in more detail as we progress through the reading. Behavior around the highest high for the day, we have an overbought crest that we sell off from through multiple support levels, overbought crest or peak, and the behavior around the low. We attempt to establish support near the low at a key support level on a multi-day scale. I'm advised to trade around the pop and drop. And we're going to get into the timing of the highest highs and the lowest lows as well as the best trades. But before we do that, I just want to make sure everybody's aware. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, and 5% of the profits from every profitable trade utilizing this information should be donated forward to one of these charities, or pick a charity of your choosing as long as you're paying 5% forward, and then 5% should be sent back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use Wise or you can use YouTube tips. And that leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you follow the rule of karma for the channel, the universe considers you an angel investor. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it. So in the pre-market, there's a decline that does offer opportunity to open up a long position or close a short position. Important resistance where we kind of like flatten out around the open, probably at a high, and it's a brief peak that's easily missed, followed by a decline through multiple support levels. We do sideways rotation between roughly 10 and 11. And that very well may be a low for the day there. One of the lows, maybe our first low for the day, because we have like this pop out of a trough here with the death card between 11 and 12, this big move to the upside, but it's followed by a sharp decline back down before 12 o'clock, and then that decline back down somewhere between 12 and 1 turns into a big move out of the decline from the bottom of a range all the way to the top of a range. We probably come right back to highs again around 1 o'clock, and then decline back down to a support level that's important on at least probably a 1 month scale, but at least a 1 day scale of importance, or excuse me, at least a multi-day scale importance support level that we recently met once before. So we may be coming back to the same low here. We have some pretty notable price swings, bearish price swings in the midst of the 2 to 3 o'clock hour. There's another prominent peak, and there's also a notable reversal in the last hour with a mixed kind of behavior going on around the close, a sideways S formation within a channel, kind of like a pop, maybe a little bit of a pop and a drop, but like more so in the post market, we're moving back to highs, and we open higher in the following day. So what I'd be looking to do is in the post market, if I have the opportunity to open up along there, I mean, in the pre-market, if I have an opportunity to open up along, I would do that there. If I have an opportunity here to do that, I would do that. And I probably would do that after we start declining pretty notably here at the end of the day on the 28th. Might open up a little bit of along there as well. It's possible. That's SPY for May 29, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't done so, because it really does help out the channel, my friends. Most importantly, make sure to follow that rule of karma. Without people following through on that rule of karma, that blessed 5%, it's probably 3% really, that blessed 3% of souls out there that follow through on the rule of karma, you guys literally uplift all of humanity. It's your vibration that balances out all of the negativity. I'm not saying that everybody that doesn't donate is negative, but I'm saying that these fortunate few are really responsible for a large part of the vibration that counterbalances the negative forces in the world. So blessings to all my angel investors. Love you guys. I'll see you guys all on the next one.